Well, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome.
Good. Thank you so much.
Welcome to Hey Dude. How you guys enjoyed this shopping experience today?
It was fantastic. Staff members were amazing. Store itself was beautiful, and everything was just amazing. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Thank you. Thank you. You guys excited for this competition?
We're extremely excited.
Nice.
And
nice.
now it's even more exciting with our brand new shoes because they
you're representing.
Comfortable.
Representing. It matches nicely.
It does. It does. It very much does. I love it.
Nice. Well, we wish you all the very best. You know, from our side, it's a privilege to have this opportunity. I want to thank Nicole for allowing us this opportunity to, help support the team. It's nice for us to get some exposure. This is a new brand to the market, to the region. So I hope you guys find it comfortable.
It's nice.
And it travels conveniently.
It does. It's a very easy slip-on.
And you guys ready for this experience?
Yes.
I have to say the uniforms look beautiful. Again, congratulations on that. Nice. Well, you guys look great. So do your best. And I'm sure it's going to be a good experience for everyone. This is a new brand for us. Hey Dude, it's a new brand for the market. It's a new brand for the region. They're very proactive in collaborations and synergies. And, it's nice for us to be able to give back to the community and to be able to support our athletes. And so it's just a gesture of support and a gesture of sort of publicity. But more than anything, it's for the athletes to feel that they're supported in some small way by the community, by the commercial side of things, to be able to do their best and feel good about representing the island.